All right, guys, we've got the Neoglint 8-pack Hexagon lights. These are LED RGB hex lights, and they can easily attach to each other, and they can easily attach to the wall. What they give you is they give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They give you 8 double-sided adhesive circles, so you can actually hook those up to the back of these and attach them to the wall. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of these. They easily attach via this. There's let's see, I think there's 8 of these. There's 8 of these pieces. That's what attach these things together. So the cool thing about these is you can make different shapes. I'm going to turn the lights off so you guys can get a vibe of these lights because they're very cool. Main thing I like to convey when we're talking about LED lights, especially ones that can be put on your wall, is LEDs are a pathway to spiritual vibes or just relaxation vibes or just moods. Like, these allow you to get lots of different moods. And you've got this remote that allows you to like actually, you can make them work with sound. So if you're playing music, they're going to work with it. Or if you're talking, they're working with it. See, this is how cool these things are. Let's go ahead and show you. Now, see, all you do is just plug them together. And then now you've got a third one. Let's get that working. There we go. So now you got 3. So you can connect them in different ways with different shapes, and then you can attach them to the wall. There's a bunch of different settings. There's 1 hour, 2 hour setting. There's music setting. There's there's like different modes you can go into. Obviously, there's like auto mode. There's 16 million different colors you can use here too. So at the end of the day, this is all about vibes. There's 8 of these. They attach to the wall easily. They attach to each other easily. You need to get these. I mean, I'm going to be straight up. You need to get these. You need more vibes in your life. And for the number I'm seeing on the product page there, these are an incredible value, and they will change your life the way they've changed mine. Glory be. Have a wonderful day. And I pray that all blessings would be upon you.